Learn how to effortlessly organize your Trello boards by adding another list. In this step-by-step tutorial, we guide you through the simple process of creating additional lists within your Trello board, enabling you to streamline tasks, boost productivity, and tailor your workflow to suit your needs. Whether you're a Trello beginner or a seasoned user, this video provides clear instructions and tips to help you make the most out of your Trello experience. Open your board, go to the Trello board where you want to add another list. Locate the Add List button. Usually, this button is on the right side of your current lists. It's labeled Add a List. You can customize like copy list. Also, you can move list. And you can archive list. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any other questions.